Hey guys, I am back. So now we are reviewing this amazing Portly jewelry organizer from Wedding Element. Okay, now they have different sets. Okay, they have different kind of jewelry organizers. I like this one because I wanted to handle a lot of my necklaces bag, and I am really surprised. The bag, the quality, it's amazing. Okay, you can see this. The inside of the bag is amazing. They have this little pouch. It's not a pouch. It's like kind of a pocket where you can keep your loose item. Now this is for your bangles, and there are these amazing sets, different pouches for your necklaces. You can put your earrings in here. Okay, then your the lace and the pendant and all, and then you can keep it separately. You can also add your bangles in the mang tika there. Okay, so I have a lot of neck pieces, so I've ordered the 4 pouch one, but they have different customizations. They have different sets. You can have only the earrings ones or the bangles ones and all. So this was it. I think even if you don't want to use this, the pouch itself, the whole box itself is amazing. The quality is superb. The inside, the outside, the chain, the quality is amazing. I really love this, guys. You should see it.